What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you're having a wonderful Memorial Day, long weekend, and we will be right back in the market tomorrow. Okay. So, what I want to do is I want to get you ready. I want to get you looking at this charts, the setups going into next week. I want to talk about all the trades we took this week, step by step, and just get ready to rock and roll. All right. So, try to make some more money this week. That's the goal. It's to finish profitable at least, 3 out of 4 weeks of the month. And that should definitely keep you on track to scaling up your account. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. First and foremost, hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. Let's do some shout outs and we'll get right into it. So Wesley, Trading Wars Army, what's going on, brother? Bill, Candace, D, Corey, and Anthony, what's going on, guys? Good to see you guys. Anybody else in the building? Jay Sosa, Heart Strong, Jay Martinez, what's going on, brother? Good to see you guys. Bill, good to see you. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's start off. So this week we had over 50 points of opportunity. So on one contract, that's $2,500. This week was actually really crazy because we had 4 days of opening range breakouts in a row. So that was actually the longest winning streak in a week that we've had all year. So we had 4 opening range breakout trades in a row, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the opening range breakout. Okay. It was a slow start to the week, but I said this the other day, you just got to show up to the market. And when you show up, guys, that's how you make money. You can't get discouraged at the beginning of the week if things are choppy, if things are slow. We're going to look at the market outlook. If I go right here on the weekly chart, the futures is open right now, so we'll talk about that. And Memorial Day sale, I have that coming with the 100 trade challenge, and we'll do some giveaways at the end to wrap it up. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Friday, and then we'll walk you through that trade. So on Friday, we just had one trade, guys, the opening range breakout. And like I said, it was 4 for 4 this week. This opening range breakout went for over 40 points, one contract, that's $2,000. Love Lotto Friday. So I had this discussion with you guys the other day. If you wanted to trade one day of the week only, I would focus on the Friday. What's going on, Hepcat, Todd, Hellshock, Jose, Hulk Hogan in the building? Hit me with a 5 if you guys understand what I mean there. So because of the volatility on Friday, if you want to just trade one day a week, that's the day I would choose. Okay, so let's start off here. Here is Thursday's high, and here is Thursday's low. Okay, so we're going to start off with the 3-minute chart, and I'm going to hop into the Discord and I'll walk you through the setup and explain to you why. So here was Friday. So good morning, friends, inside open. Okay, so let's play the first bar. Boom. So we could see that this first bar is opening below the previous day's high. So this is an inside. It's not a gap, but I decided to go with the opening range breakout because I had a sense of volatility was going to increase this Friday, especially since we've been chopping around. And I really like this candle. So let's look at this candle right here, guys. What kind of candle is this? Is that bearish or bullish? Hit me with the 1 for bearish or hit me with the 2 for bullish. So what do you guys think? What type of candle is this? So let's go ahead and draw the high and the low of this candle. Okay. And obviously, guys, this is a green bullish candle. So if we look at this, we're not that far from the previous day's high. We're in this area. All right. So the first play that I started was with the opening range breakout. We went long at 933. Okay. And then you can see we hit the targets pretty fast on this trade. So let's go ahead and replay. So once we broke the high, we went long because of the fact that we knew that, again, this is what could happen. We could break through and then break the previous day's high. And then from there, guys, we fast forward, boom. It was just a trend day from there. So that was the entry back there. Really nice. So even if you missed that first orb, you had a second attempt to come back in with the retest right there. Okay, so hit me with an 11 if that makes sense. So that was the opening range breakout on Friday. That's all the trades we took because as you can see, if I take the Fibonacci here from low to high, there was no pullbacks. All right, so this was a trend day. And the trend day, it's a rare day. It happens about 20% of the time. You'll get a day where you go vertical. So this is a pretty much vertical, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so that one was a really nice way to end Friday. Everybody made good gains. Really proud of that Friday. Just one simple trade. How many of you guys want to just trade one trade a day? Hit me with a 10 if that's you. All right, that's not everybody, but one trade a day, guys, can go a long way. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's talk about Thursday. So on Thursday, we had an opening range breakout winner, and then I used this inside bar, which I'm going to show you a little trick. And then from there, we did the full range Fibonacci with the bot for 10 points, net 15 points, one contract, $750. Okay, so let's start off here. Go ahead right there, hit the replay, boom, bang. Okay, so here is the previous day's high right here. So you can see the first 3-minute bar. What type of candle is that, my friends? Hit me with a 1 for bearish, hit me with a 2 for bullish. So I'm going to show you a little trick, okay? So we had this big red bar. That's obviously a very big bearish candle. The next bar that came in right here was an inside bar, all right? So this right here, guys, gave me a very high probability, low risk opportunity, because all I want, so I want to short in the direction of that bar. I can short right here and I can put the stop loss right above that bar instead of having a huge stop loss like this. So I went and I used that inside bar right there to guide this trade and to have a good stop. And let me go into the Discord and I'll show you. So team, going to start with the 3-minute orb, then right into the fibs. Who's ready? So we went short, guys, 936. Send the red. Team, I'm going to use a tight stop loss with the inside bar on the 3-minute. Target one smash. Who's banking with me? So we went for a really quick scalp with this. So watch this, guys. Boom, 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 boom. That was it. See that? So we went ahead and we scalped this. We're able to get about 5 points on this play. And then once we came back around here with this inside bar, guys, we're out. All right. And for the profit taking, what I do, I put the Fibonacci from the high to low of the first 3-minute bar, and that 272 extension, guys, that was my goal for my target on this trade. And I knew because the first bar was so big that I can't expect to have a huge move like that again right away. Instead, I use that inside bar as my guidance. Okay. Now from there, we went ahead and we used the Fibonacci bot. All right. So let's go ahead and find that. So that was the 25th. Okay. So 26th, 25th. So you could see right here, we used the Fibonacci bot and we went short at 10:45 using the initial direction of the day. And then we hit target 1, target 2. So that one was really nice. We had it drawn up at 10:29. So let me show you how to do that now. Okay. So what we notice here is we start pulling back. All right. So we're pulling back. What we're going to do is take our Fibonacci from our high to our low like this. I'm going to double click here. And we're just going to put on the basic 618. That's all you need to focus on as a new trader. All right. And we're waiting for that 618 to come in. So waiting. Okay. So we made a new low there. We just moved that anchor down a little bit. Okay. Waiting again for that 618. Okay. Move that anchor down again. Just wait for that 618, guys. Be patient. There's the fill on the 618. And then you can see bang, 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 bang. A little bit of chop there. And then finally, a nice little push down. So on that full range fib, we were able to get about 10 points, net 15 points on that one contract. And as you can see, if you wanted to wait for, let me go to the book. If you wanted to wait for the candlestick confirmation, actually on the level, I'll go ahead and draw the fib again. We had an holy grail. So the holy grail is one of our powerful patterns. It's an outside inside bar. So you could have just taken this holy grail short instead, taken that down, but we decided to just take the 618. So there was some heat on this trade. All right. But thankfully we were able to get to targets. Hit me with the 20, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to move on to Wednesday. All right. So Wednesday, guys, was a big orb day with this double inside bar pattern as well. So this one was a crazy win streak. Okay. Another winner on the orb, net 10 points. Then we took the afternoon fib for 10 points. We netted 20 points, $1,000 a contract, 3-day winning days, and 3 winning days in a row with the orb, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And what you're going to see was Monday. Okay. Monday was a slow start. All right. And you just don't let that discourage you. All right. All right. So let's go ahead right here. Okay. So I'm going to draw Tuesday's low. We'll hit the replay and we'll get right into it. All right. So here we go. Here's our first 3-minute bar. Boom. So nice big gap down there. Okay. So again, how do you do this in ES futures like the levels? Same thing. Just draw the Fibonacci. SPY and ES are the same candles. You just draw the Fibonacci. All right. So from here, we had this big red bar. We gapped down. right? So when we gap down like this, guys, who do you think is in control, especially with this candle? Are the bears in control or the bulls? Hit me with the 5 for the bears. Hit me with the 6 for the bulls. Who do you think is in control on this gap down here, guys? Gap down, big red candle, right? I'm going to walk into the Discord, show you guys the live commentary. Good morning, friends. Gap down. All right, team. I'm going to start with a 3-minute orb, then straight into the fib. Who's ready? So we went short here at 940. Okay. Then we started hitting our targets. Another winner, my friend. So 948, we hit our targets. Okay. So let me show you this. So this right here, my friends, was the key. Okay. We had the gap down. We had this pattern here, very similar to the last trade we took. We have a double inside bar. So we have a huge consolidation coming in here. Okay. So it's showing indecision, but we know the bears are in control. So we're just going to short right below that second inside bar, have that stop loss here for protection, guys. And then, so now we get a better entry right there. And then check this out. Bang. Next candle, fill. Boom, 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 money. And what I love about the opening range breakout, guys, especially when you get these inside bars, is you can be in and out within 10, 15 minutes if you want, or you can go ahead and hold on to runners. Okay. And I like to do that. So I'll show you here on Wednesday. From that point, guys, here on Wednesday, zoom in, had a really nice trend day down. Okay. And what we did as well, my friends, we took our Fibonacci from high to low, and we caught this beautiful 618 right here with this outside bar kicker. So again, that's candlestick confirmation. So let me just go into the Discord and show you that one. Okay. So here we go. So this is the full range. So right now we have our plans, right? So I know someone was asking about futures, so that we have the futures levels as well if you're interested in the futures. So this was going into the play right here. And then you can see we got filled at 1126 short. And then this one was a smooth ride straight down. So right here, 1126 got filled on 618, stop loss a higher day for protection. Goal is to scale on the way out and try to make a new low, which we did. And if you noticed here, guys, when we are taking our profits into that new low right there, the rookies are getting trapped and they're shorting right there. That's where the rookies are shorting at the low of the day, because they're getting FOMO and they're saying, hey, I missed all of this move, so now I have to short here. And then the market turns around and punishes them, guys, and it rips right back up. And that's how people blow up accounts. Hit me with a 2 if that makes sense, right? So always think about getting the best risk reward. So if you look at the 2 trades we took on that day, the first trade here, we had a double inside bar. So we had a very good entry and a tight stop loss. So either it's going to rip or it's going to pull back and we're out. Okay. So that's what you call getting a good entry. Here was another good entry because we didn't short down here, down here, down here, down here, down here. We didn't short there. We waited for that 618 pullback right there. Boom. Okay. Very nice. Right. Oops. Okay. So that's Wednesday. On Tuesday, we had a wash day, guys. So we basically had a break-even day. So again, I'm just going to go through this one quickly. We had the first 3-minute bar, opening range breakout. We took the break above. We got about 5 points. Then right after that, from our Fibonacci low to high, we took this 618 right here, guys. Unfortunately, for this one, it was just a scalp. You could see it hit the 618 multiple times, but it did not make a new high. So I'm basically the orb. And if you did not go, like if you didn't scale out on this one, you would have lost on this one. And that's a net wash day. Okay. Show you that fib bot. What's going on, Corey? So you can see right here, that's the fill long at 10:15, target hit, target hit. Unfortunately, we did not get the home run. All right. And then on Monday, guys, so we took the full range fib on Monday right here. So on Monday, I was very careful because as you could see on Monday, this is where we opened. And this was right in the range of Friday. So I didn't do an opening range breakout. If I did do an opening range breakout, it would have been 5 for 5. And that would have been good. I used interactive brokers. All right. So from here, what we ended up doing here, guys, we took our Fibonacci from high to low right here. We took this 618 short. And let me just spread this out. So you could see, guys, this 618 lasted the whole day. It bounced off, bounced off, bounced off, bounced off, made a little push, and then bounced off. So this one did end with some profit on the day. However, if you were trading options on this day, you would have lost. Only futures would have made money because it was choppy, right? So with futures, you short the 618. If it's below it, you make money. But with options, like if you got this too early in the day, like over here, the decay itself would kill you to the point that you don't actually make money. So that's why I love trading futures. All right, hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. Okay, I just wanted to really point that out for you guys there. All right. So that was the recap, guys. A good week. The goal is to make money. All right. And I want to stress that more than anything. The mindset for you and the mindset, if you're doing this seriously, the mindset is that we deserve to make money. Okay. If we're busting our ass off every single day, day trading, and we're fighting for our dreams, we're fighting for our family, we're fighting for our passion, we deserve to make money. All right. So I'm always willing, guys, to take a loss if I have to, and not ego trade it and not greed or FOMO trade it, because I know that loss is a cost of doing business for me. But if you don't have a stop loss, guys, and if you don't cut the loser, you will blow up your account at some point. Hit me with the 5 if that makes sense. Hey, brother, I'll show you I'll show you in a bit how you can sign up at tradingwars.com. All right. Okay, so that's the key, guys. Look, $10,000 a month, $5,000 a month, $15,000 a month. Okay, that's what the goal is. But when you're a small account, you make $100 a month, $50 a month, 200. It's the same process. But what's the main thing with both of those, whether it's a small or a large account, is you have to follow the system. Take the stop loss, take the target. Don't get greedy. Don't make a day trade become a swing trade. All right. I really want to stress that to you guys, because look at the systematic approach. You treat it. So look at the Fib bot, guys. Look at this. This is why we created this bot. Okay. Look at the bot. It's like brain dead. Okay, you get filled, you hit the target. You get filled, you hit the stop loss. You get filled, you hit the target. So on and so forth. Look at this. Very simple. Okay, 1 to 2 trades a day keeps the doctor away. All right, let's continue. All right, so what I want to do now with SPY is I just wanted to show you something, guys, with a really powerful setup going into next week. Here we go. So I'm here on the weekly chart for SPY, and you can see we have this outside bar. So you guys know I love to swing trade outside bars. So the last opportunity we had was this Holy Grail, and we took the breakout of this Holy Grail to the upside, and we were able to make some good profits. So let me just show you guys that right now. Yeah, I only use regular trading hours for my gaps. Okay, so let me just show you guys this right now. So the Holy Grail, we posted it about 6 days ago, somewhere around here. No, it was even longer than that. So let me see if I can find it for you guys. Blue raindrop, options. So you guys can see for the Trading Wars Army, I do special plays, special option plays, different things. So here we go. So this was the one we posted for the Trading Wars Army members. Weekly Holy Grail setup, and we took the breakout above that, guys, with options, with futures, whichever one you wanted to use, and that was a real nice winner. Now we're back again, guys, with this outside bar, and you could see it has a lot of bullish power. All right, what I want to point out with these outside bars is, I don't know, some of you who's here from back in the day, who's here, you know, back in January when we were trading these. Hit me with the 1 if you're still here. So we were hunting this outside bar here. Okay, and we said that this could be the top of the market. And the reason we said that, guys, was because if you look at this outside bar, the high of the last week in December was $479 flat. Okay. And then over here, we went to 479.98. And as soon as we broke through, so almost within $1, we had this huge sell off. Okay. And right there is where we said, okay, this could be the turning point in the market, because you had so many trap traders getting FOMO here. Look at this run from 2020. We could not even pull back to the bottom of the band. So that's why I like to use the bands on the higher time frame. This is trending. So you keep everyone at this point up here. Everyone's like, well, the market will go on forever and I'm going to miss everything. And this was the last trap right here when it broke by 98 cents and it sold off. Bang. Okay. So now we have the same type of situation here where there's been traps. Okay. There's been Holy Grails. There's been all these setups here. So I'm going to look to break this outside bar. I'm going to look for this to potentially be either the top or the bottom of the market for the next coming months. Okay. And the reason I'm saying that is if we do actually turn around and break this, If we start coming back down, I think that'll be actually more bearish than anything because there's so many bulls buying on these wicks. However, if we start to grind up, I definitely think we can grind up slowly, guys. That's just the way. See how the bulls grind slowly like this, and then the bears, boom. Okay, hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. So that's the market outlook. And if you guys are interested, consider joining the Trading Wars Army, guys. You can click the join button. It's right at the bottom of the video. It's $4.99 for the YouTube, and the YouTube Army gets special picks. And I'm looking for 3 more people to sign up. And if 3 more people sign up, I will do a live day trading session on either Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of this week. All right. So thank you so much for all the support. And we do special giveaways for the Army as well. All right, so that's the market outlook. If we look at futures right now on the 5-minute chart, you could see we had this big pop and then this kind of sell-off. So nothing too crazy, no big gaps or anything like that. And what we're going to do now, my friends, we're going to do some giveaways. I'm going to talk about the Memorial Day sale, and we're going to talk about McDonald's. All right, so I post every single day, guys. I post daily picks. So on Friday, my Lotto Friday picks, one of them were McDonald's. I also post that on the Twitter as well. So if you want to follow Twitter, so make sure you subscribe. Subscribers get these free picks. And then the Trading Wars Army members, they get the bonus, like the spreadsheets, like the more in detailed stuff. So you can see McDonald's, we wanted to use the 287 calls, 286.69. So I just wanted to show you this. This was a Lotto Friday hit, and I just wanted to walk you through. Okay. All right. So we wanted to go long. So we're going to go to the, let's do this. Let's go to the 15-minute right here. Okay, let's talk about this right here. All right. Okay, so we want to go long here at 286.69. Right there. So oops. So why did I want to do this? Does anybody know? Why do we want to take this trade? Let's first of all go to the daily chart. Okay. Look at this inside bar, right? So really nice tight inside bar on McDonald's. That inside bar, if we go to the 15-minute chart, let's draw that. Let's see how that looks, okay? So here is the bigger range coming down like this. And then here is that base right here, okay? So what kind of pattern is this, my friends? So this right here is a consolidation of flag. Here's the inside bar. This is what I like to call the big box, small box. Here's your bigger box. That's your bigger range. And then here's your smaller box, which is the inside bar. That's your inside bar. So generally with the inside bars, they have a good chance to break out. So went ahead, boom, took that breakout right there, guys. That's our entry right there. And then bang, 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 outside the box. That's your goal. See that, guys? And what I want to show you there, my friends, is do you notice when it gets to the top of the box, it sells off? Because this is, again, where the rookie traders are buying. That's why my entry is always lower. The entry that I share with you guys here on the YouTube, it's a formula that I've developed, guys, to come up with these levels and it's these targets. So hit me with the 15 if that made sense. So that one was a really nice Lotto Friday play that went for some good money. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for being here. So I'm going to wrap up, do some giveaways, talk about the Memorial Day sale, and get it done. I also released this short, and I really want to show you this. Let me see if I can show you this. So I'm just going to mute it here, and I just want to give you guys some commentary. All right, so I'll mute this. Just want to show you guys, we've been recording our screen, and I just want to show you this Fibonacci trade here so that we took. So this was back in May, and we had recorded this one. So this is how it feels to be in a trade in real time. So you can see we got filled on the 618 right there. All right. And what we're trying to do here, this is the P&L up here. For this particular system, guys, what we're trying to do is actually get, you see this green box here? That's the target. Okay. And that's going to ensure we get 3 times our money. So if you want, you could be scalping these levels. But for this automated system, we are looking to get just that full target here. So you can see how many times you reject the 618 multiple times, guys. And then from here, rejection, 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 stop losses up at the 90. That's the automated system. And then from here, you're going to see how quickly the 618 can turn. Okay. So this was like a whole day of trading right here. We just condensed it into a minute, but this is how fast it can come down. Watch this here, guys. Boom. Watch the P&L up here. Okay. Boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Bam. Closed out right there. Okay. So I really wanted, I want to do a documentary, guys, on the trading and the growing of the account. Hit me with a 4 if you like that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that one right there. I'm going to keep making more videos. I just want to show you guys the reality of trading and what it's really like to day trade, guys. Okay. All right. All right, guys, just to wrap it up. So I am doing a Memorial Day sale right now. This Memorial Day sale is going to last for 24 to 48 hours. So I wanted to talk about it. So right now, guys, I'm trying to encourage people to sign up for a long time and really get the best they can with the Discord and just the best mentoring that they can. Because for some people, you can't do it in 30 days. You can't build new habits in 30 days. You can't just turn around all of your trading in 30 days. So that's why I put together the bundle deal. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. So my bundle deal comes with all 3 of my books, 4 months in the Trading Wars VIP room. It comes with my seminars and full access to the Fibonacci trading room, like I just showed you guys with the bot and the 100 trade challenge. The 100 trade challenge is what I want you guys to focus on. If you can get through 100 trades, guys, you will never be the same again. Okay. Lifetime access to my indicators and my scanners, and you're going to get a one-on-one training with me. Okay. So this is what we're going to do now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this from $800 to $350 for the next 24 hours. Okay. So if you want this package right here, it's only going to cost $350, and it's going to be for the next 24 hours. I want to encourage you guys to come in, have all the material you need to succeed. Email rich@tradingwars.com. It's a special link. It's not on the website. Okay. However, if you want to be even more long-term, for the $799 price here, I'm going to give a full year. So it says 4 months. I'm going to do a full year in the Discord, and I'm going to do 2 one-on-one trainings, 30-minute each for the $799. So I know some people can't afford that. So that's why I'm giving both option. Okay. And that's just for Memorial Day, 24 hours. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if you guys love that. And then we'll do some giveaways. And don't forget, guys, if you want to support, join the Trading Wars Army, where I'm going to do more live streaming. I just want to, I want to bank with you guys. All right. I want to bank with you guys. So let's do this. All right. So what I'm going to do now is giveaways. Okay. So I'm going to do a giveaway on one of the videos. All right. And guys, if you're really struggling, don't worry. I'll always have a lot of giveaways. I have a lot of giveaways. All right. Okay. So I'm going to do a giveaway on this live Fibonacci. I want to do a giveaway on this, the candlestick pattern, the Nirvana, because the candlestick patterns, I think sometimes we don't talk about them enough, but the Holy Grail and Nirvana are very, very good patterns. Okay. Especially on the higher time frames. So we have 12 comments here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link this in the chat, and you can go ahead and comment. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to pick a Trading Wars Army member for a giveaway. So if you guys want to join, like I said, just join right here, $4.99. Get a lot of access to my perks and those swing trades and all that stuff. Okay. So I'll let you guys comment in there, and I'm going to go ahead and just go to the Trading Wars Army on YouTube. All right. Like I said, I'm looking for 3 more people to join the army, and we will do a live stream this week. My goal is 5 every week, guys. I feel like that's going to help the algorithm to recognize us. It's been tough to get subscribers these days. You guys know. All right. So for videos. So while you guys are commenting, I am getting the army member. All right. You guys have a good Memorial Day. I hope you guys spent it with your family. I hope you guys had a good time. That's how we do it. Work hard, play hard, guys. Better be ready next week. We got a bank. It's going to be the end of the month. At the end of the month, guys, I always try to go hard because I want to always finish every single month green. That's my goal. I don't care about what happens from the week to week. You know, I don't care about that. What I care about, guys, is at the end of the month, can I consistently look back and say, hey, you know what? I did a good job. I follow my trading plan. I made money. I can do this for a living. Those are the things that go through my head. Okay. All right. So let's refresh why the other one is taking so long to load. Carlos, join today, Rich. Looking forward to this journey with the Trading Wars fam. Thank you, my brother. Glad to have you. All right. So here we go. Oh, looks like we got a subscriber here. I feel like oh, this is an old video. Okay. Got it. Okay. So it looks like, okay, 1, 2. Okay. It's about 20 comments. So let's do the random number generator. For some reason, this doesn't update anymore. It used to update. I don't know why it stopped. Anyways, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Number 9. Okay. Number 9, you are the winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So Imagine Merrick, you are the winner of the giveaway. We'll get you your 1 month free and your book of your choice. The candlestick guide will be helpful. All right. So if you're in the chat, just email rich@tradingwars.com. Hit me up on the Discord, brother. Let's send some love for our winner, Imagine Merrick. And don't worry, guys, we will do more giveaways throughout the week. So don't feel like you missed out. You'll always have a chance. All right. Let's send some heart, some fire, some power. Okay. Sense only positivity, guys. That's what we focus on. And from my army member, here we go. Find my army member. All right. So here we go. Here is the winner this week. D Django. Thank you very much for being a part of the Trading Wars Army, supporting the YouTube, brother. You are the winner. Just hit me up for your giveaway, 1 month free and your book. And thank you for being a Trading Wars Army member. Thank you for making this possible. Thank you for supporting me. All right. Appreciate that. D Django, you are the winner. All right. Okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post the pics on Twitter and the YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. As always, guys, do not forget about the Day Trading University. I have 4 full classes posted now, and I have a playlist going with all of the videos and all of the everything here. Here are all the notes. Please let me know in the comments below, what is lesson 5 going to be about? You're going to pick it now. I felt like I covered a good range of topics. Let me know what you want for lesson number 5, guys, and we'll keep the Day Trading University going. It will be our legacy together. We'll be remembered, this army right here. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow bright and early. Let's do it.